Boy, killing it, boy, killing it.
Fish. Again. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, and you spit up all over the place.
Listen, I want to blow this up on Instagram.
Listen,
I want to.
Good day to you, sir. I don't even know your name.
Yo, I'm on the Jimmy Fallon show. Yo,
And said, "This is the final nail in Alec Baldwin's career."
It's infinite.
I've been in television for 30 years.
You know what I mean?
So cool. Do you have any?
What's so funny?
Can you tell I've never done a Zoom before? Was it easier having...
You having to listen to those goddamn answers?
It's incredible. That's so cool. Let me look at some other things here. Let's see here. We talked about your website. You talked about you don't really do astrology though. That's not your thing.
I'm not into astrology now.
Is it not real?
Boy, killing it, boy, killing it.